morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. This is revision. Lesson number 1, True Wealth. Already I have given the notes for you. I think you have completed the notes. If you have completed, open the classwork. Lesson number 1, True Wealth. Now this is revision. I am going to read. Listen carefully, children. First main hard words. First one, ONCE once. Second one, RICH rich. Third one, wealthy. WEALTHY wealthy. Fourth one, luxurious. LUXURIOUS luxurious. Fifth one, footstep. FOOTSTEP footstep. Sixth one, relatives. RELATIVES relatives. Seventh one, studying. STUDYING studying. Eighth one, distant. DISTANT distant. Ninth one, returned. RETURNED returned. Tenth one, vacation. VACATION vacation. 11th one, proud. PROUD proud. 12th one, realize. REALIZE realize. 13th one, extremely. EXTREMELY extremely. 14th one, planned. PLANNED planned. 15th one, sufferings. SUFFERINGS sufferings. So these are the first main hard words. Once again I will read. First one, once. Second one, rich. Third one, wealthy. Fourth one, luxurious. Fifth one, footstep. Sixth one, relatives. Seventh one, studying. Eighth one, distant. Ninth one, returned. 10th one, vacation. 11th one, proud. 12th one, realize. 13th one, extremely. 14th one, planned. 15th one, sufferings. Okay, children? So these are the hard words. Second main, fill in the blanks. A rich and wealthy man lived in a big dash. So in the dash, town must come. TOWN town. Second one, the dash always boasted his luxurious life. So in the dash, rich man. RICHMAN rich man. Third one, the dash was not fond of luxurious life. In the dash, SON son. Fourth one, the rich man planned for a dash. VISIT visit. Fifth one, the father and son took a dash. In the dash, chariot. CHARIOT chariot. So these are the fill in the blanks. Once again, I'll read. A rich and wealthy man lived in a big town. The rich man always boasted his luxurious life. Third one, the son was not fond of luxurious life. Fourth one, the rich man planned for a visit. Fifth one, the father and son took a chariot. Okay, children? Now, next main, write the opposites. Rich, poor, big, small, friend, enemy, father, mother, happy, sad. So poor, POOR poor, small, SMALL small, enemy, ENEMY enemy, mother, MOTHER mother, sad, SAD sad. Okay, children? Now next main. Question answer. First one, who lived in a big town? Answer, a very rich and wealthy man lived in a big town. A, VERY very, RICH rich, AND and WEALTHY wealthy, MAN man, LIVED lived, INN a, BIG big, TOWN town. A very rich man and wealthy man lived in a big town. Second one, Describe the qualities of the rich man. Answer. The rich man had all wealth and led a luxurious life. He had every luxury and could afford to feed the entire people of his town. He always boasted his luxurious life to his friends and relatives. T.H. the R-I-C-H rich, M-A-N man, H-A-D had, A-L-L all, W-E-A-L-T-H wealth, A-N-D and L-E-D led, A, L-U-X-U, R-I-O-U-S luxurious, L-I-F-E life, H-E, H-A-D had, E-V-E-R-Y every, L-U-X-U-R-Y luxury, and A-N-D and C-O-U-L could, A-F-F-O-D offered, T-O-2, F-E defeat, T-H the, E-N-T-I-R-E entire, P-E-O-P-L-E people, O-F of, H-I-S is T-O-W-N town, H-E-A-L-W-Y-S always, B-O-A-S-T-E-D boasted, H-I-S is L-U-X-U-R-I-O-U-S luxurious, L-I-F-E life, T-O-2, H-I-S is F-R-I-E-N-D-S friends, A-N-D and R-E-L-A-T-I-V-E-S relatives. Third one. Describe the qualities of the rich man's son. Answer. The rich man's son was simple and kind person and he was not interested in luxury. T-H the R-I-C-H rich, M-A-N-S man's, S-O-N son, W-A-S was, S-I-M-P-L-E simple, A-N-D and K-I-N-D kind, P-E-R-S-O-N person, A-N-D and H-E-E, W-A-S was, N-O-T not, I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T-D interested, I-N in, L-U-X-U-R-Y luxury. Fourth one. What did the rich man want to make his son? Answer. The rich man wanted to show his son that his lifestyle was extremely rich and how the poor people suffered. T-H the R-I-C-H rich, M-A-N man, W-A-N-T-E-D wanted, T-O-2, S-H-O-W show, H-I-S his, S-O-N son, T-H-A-T that, H-I-S is, L-I-F-E life, S-T-Y-L-E style, W-A-S was, E-X-T-R-E-M-E-L-Y extremely, R-I-C-H rich, A-N-D and H-O-W how, T-H the, P-O-O-R poor, P-E-O-P-L-E people, S-U-F-F-E-R-E-D suffered. Fifth one. W-H-A-T what was the reply of the rich man's son? Answer. T-H the R-I-C-H rich, M-A-N-S man's, S-O-N son, R-E-P-L-I-E-D replied, B-Y-B-S-T-A-T-I-N-G stating, T-H the D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C difference, B-E-T-W-E-E-N between, T-H the R-I-C-H rich, and T-H the P-O-O-R poor, W-I-T-H with E-X-A-M-P-L-E-S examples. The rich man's son replied by stating the difference between the rich and the poor with examples. Sixth one. What is the moral of the story? Answer. T-H the M-O-R-A-L moral, O-F of T-H the S-T-O-R-Y story, I-S is T-H-A-T that, T-R-U-E true, W-E-A-L-T-H wealth, I-S is N-O-T not, M-E-A-S-U-R-E-D measured, B-Y by M-O-N-E-Y money, A-N-D and P-R-O-P-E-R-T-Y property, W-E-V-H-A-V had, beauty but I-T it, I-S is T-H the F-R-I-E-N-D friend, S-H-I-P ship friendship, R-E-L-A-T-I-O-N S-H-I-P relationship, A-N-D and G-O-O-D, good. Compassion, C-O-M-P-A-S-S-I-O-N, compassion. W-E-V-S-H-A, or is share. W-I-T-H, with. T-H, the. O-T-H-E, or is others. The moral of the story is that true wealth is not measured by money and property we have, but it is the friendship, relationship, and good compassion we share with the others. Now, next main, match the meanings. First, in the A side, they are given luxurious, boast, vacation, abundant, honor. In the B side, they are given plentiful, high respect, extremely comfortable, a fixed holiday, talk with excessive pride. Now you must match this one. For first one, luxurious. In the B side, third line it is there, extremely comfortable. Boast. In the fifth line it is there, talk with excessive pride. Vacation. In the fourth line, a fixed holiday. Abundant. In the B side, first line it is there, plentiful. Honor. In the B side, second line it is there, high respect. So this is match the meanings. Once again I will read correct answer. Luxurious, extremely comfortable. Boast, talk with excessive pride. Vacation, a fixed holiday. Abundant, plentiful. Honor, high respect. Next main, write plurals of the singular words given below. Foot, feet, F-E-E-T, feet. Facility, facilities, F-A-C-I-L-I-T-I-E-S, facilities. Sun, sons, S-O-N-S, sons. Man, men, M-E-N, men. Star, stars, S-T-A-R-S, stars. Next main. Write the feminine gender for given masculine gender. First one, actor. So I must write feminine gender. So this is in the question having masculine gender. Answer you must write feminine gender. For actor, actress. A-C-T-R-E-S-S, actress. Second one, author, authoress. A-U-T-H-O-R-E-S-S, authoress. Third one, bachelor, bachelorality. B-A-C-H-E-L-O-R-L-A-R-O-T-T-E. Fourth one, boy, girl, G-I-R-L, girl. Next main, rearrange the words to make meaningful sentence. See, here they are given question mixed. So we must write correct sentence. The sentence is not correct. It is incorrect sentence. So we must write in correct sentence. First one, have we only dogs too? Answer is, we have only 2 dogs. Second one, understand you did what? Answer is, what did you understand? Third one, hard is work very is. Answer is, his work is very hard. Fourth one, long day walks she all. Answer, she walks long all day. Next main, write the opposite words. Honor, dishonor. D-I-S-H-O-N-O-U-R, dishonor. Health, unhealth. U-N-H-E-A-L-T-H, unhealth. Town, village. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. Expensive, cheap. C-H-E-A-P, cheap. Proud, ashamed. A-S-H-A-M-E-D, ashamed. So, these are the mains that are given in the classwork. Okay, children? Any doubt, children? So, in the next class, I am giving UT. So, prepare for the test. Okay, children? Thank you.